Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. If you are the new viewer on my channel, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video. So today's video title is how to on and off how to sorry not on and off but how to change icon style in oppo phone. So let us start our video. You have to see here there was many different app icon shown in your mobile phone. You have to see here so you have to move up and you have to firstly move on that setting icon. You have to see here, so click on that setting icon. Then you have to see there was many different options shown in your mobile phone. So you have to firstly click on the home screen and lock screen magazine option, so click on that. Then you have to see here many more options like that. You have to move up and click on the set icon style option, so click on that. Now you have to see here this type of icon. After that, if you want to change icon style, so you have to choose any icon style from here which you want to set in your mobile phone. You have to choose any icon style. I have to choose that one, so you have to click on that. You have to also choose any icon style from here. Click on the apply option. Then you have to see in this way icon style is changed in your mobile phone. So I hope this video helps you, so please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you so much for watching our video. We will meet you soon with next video. Thank you. And if you have any query regarding any function of mobile phone or PC, so please comment us. Thank you so much for watching our video.